did Gay-Lussac discover? Gay-Lussac discovered that when gases react, they do so in a what? Volume. And this volume, there is simple whole number ratio to one another. Alright. Welcome back to class. As you all know, I'm with my students in the lab here, and we are taking record of the session of our class. We are discussing the Lussac law. Alright, so we want to take a record of our discussion in class. You know, I'll put it online, and every other person will benefit from it. Alright? So I think we should be grateful to the generous and kind students that we have in the next country. Alright? So now, the Lussac law. Before we start any calculation under the Lussac law, we want to explain the Lussac law. Now, the word the Lussac law does not mean the guy is a gay, but it postulated what? The Gay-Lussac law. Are you getting me now? Very, very interesting law. Before you understand the Lussac law, I need to explain what it is. First of all, when gases react, they are always reacting in their body. Okay? Are you getting me now? They are always reacting in their body. But somebody help us to understand the nature of that reaction. What I say? Someone help us to understand the nature of that reaction. And that is what? The Lussac. So what is the Lussac discover? The Lussac discovered that when gases react, they do so in a what? Volume. And this volume, there is simple whole number ratio to one another. And the product that will form, if the product is still gaseous, at the same temperature and pressure. What I just said now is very simple. Listen again. According to the Lussac, when gases react, they are always reacting in volume that have a simple whole number ratio to one another. And also to the product that will be formed. As long as the product is what? Is gaseous. Are you getting it? At the same temperature and pressure. Now, that statement simply means that you can use the molar ratio of gaseous reaction to compare to their volume. You can use the molar ratio of gaseous what? Reaction to compare to their what? Volume, directly, straight, directly, without going through the route of mole. In other reactants, maybe solid or aqueous, you have to go through the route of what? Concentration, mole, before you can get the volume, if you need the volume. Or the mass. You can't just get the mass directly. Remember that calculation we did. You have to go through mole before you can get mass, right? When you have to obtain the mole of this, the mole of this, right? But now the Lussac discovered that when gases are reacting, that molar ratio you are seeing, let me give you an example. If I have gaseous, okay, let's give you a real time example. Oxygen will start in oxygen to give you water, right? So if you balance this reaction, if I put two here, I put two here, the reaction is balanced. According to the Lussac, each gaseous reaction have a simple whole number ratio to one another. Are you with me? What does that mean? It means that the ratio of this, which is 2, ratio, how many here? 1, how many here? 2. It's the same way they will combine in volume. So, for hydrogen to completely bond in oxygen, you need 2 volumes of hydrogen. So you have to what? 1 volume of what? Oxygen to give you 1 volume of what? Water, right?
Yes.
Look at you. How many? In ordinary mathematics, you can say 2 plus 1 supposed to give you what? 3. But according to this Lussac equation now, or explanation, you can say that 2 plus 1 is not really 3. It gives you whatever you use to balance the equation. Am I making sense? Feeling me? You feeling me? Yes. Alright, so now, since you now understand the Gay-Lussac law, can we solve the question? Can we solve the question? Alright, let's solve the question. So now, the question is, what volume of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of the 50 centimeter cube of ethane? If all gases are measured at what? STP. Alright? Then the second part of the question says, what is the total volume of what? Product of the reaction. Now, can I tell you, before we answer the question, let me tell you the consequence of the Gay-Lussac law. The consequence of the Gay-Lussac law is that if I have 20 volume of hydrogen, and I put, from this example I was saying before, if I have 20 volume of hydrogen, and I now introduce another 20 volume of oxygen, from that equation, what do you think will react? 20 volume of hydrogen will react with how many of oxygen? 10. 2, God bless you, the war, everything and anything else from, I'll bring them. Thank you. 10. Are you getting me now? Why? Because of the molar ratio. Okay? So it means that we will now have excess of what? Oxygen. Excess of oxygen of how many?
20.
Of 10. Of 10. You use 10, mean 10. Yes. Right? Yes. Now, as the product, what will it have in water? How many mole of water? 2, right? 20. So, what we will have after the reaction is what? The product, which is 20, and the excess oxygen. So, how many volumes remaining at the end of the reaction? 20. What? How many volumes started the reaction? 20, 20. Oxygen 20, hydrogen 20. No. Hydrogen 20, oxygen 20.
Okay, yes,
what is started the reaction?
Yes.
How many products do you have?
30.
30. The required product is what? 20, which is water. Yes. But the excess is what? 10. You got it? That is the consequence of what? The Gay-Lussac law. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Feeling?
Yes, sir.
I know you're feeling now. Alright. So now let's answer the question now. They said, what volume of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of 15 centimeter cube of what? Ethane. So, we are looking at combustion. Please, whenever we say combustion, it means something is reacting with oxygen. Nothing is burning in what? Oxygen. And what is burning in oxygen? Ethane. Ethane. C2H6. Burn in oxygen. Now, this is hydrocarbon. Anytime hydrocarbon is burning, in fact, anytime something is burning and everything is inside that compound, if everything is in that compound and burning, just know that water will be formed. Yes, right?
That is possible.
Now, carbon is there and it's burning, don't know that what? Carbon is what? Form. It's just like the food you take in your stomach, glucose. Carbon is there, hydrogen is there. When they are burning, what we get is carbon dioxide and water. Exactly. So that's what happens here. So that's the simple way of understanding H2O. So the next thing now is to balance the equation. Balance what? The equation. So that you know the molar reaction. So that you know what?
The molar
reaction. Alright? So like what we said before. We are going to balance this equation so that we can get what? So that I can get what? So that I can get what? We can get what? The molar ratio, okay? So how many carbon is there?
2.
How many carbon is there? 1. Can we put 2 there?
Yes.
And let's put 2 there. How many hydrogen is there?
6.
How many hydrogen is there?
2.
Can we put 3 there?
No, it's 4. 4. It's 4. 4.
4 and 4 plus 6 is.
Make it 6 is 4.
That's 6, I mean.
Yes.
Oxygen now, how many is there?
Oxygen 2.
How many is there?
2.
Now, can you see that oxygen now?
Balance.
It's not balance. Oxygen is what?
3, 2.
3 plus 2, that's what? 5. And there's no way you can make it from 5, right?
Yes.
So let's do our normal method. Do you remember? Let's follow our method. There's a method we defined for balancing of the equation. What's that method? A, B, C. the what? B. And then go. For carbon, how many A?
1A.
2A
2 yes.
equal to
1C.
equal to C, right?
Yes.
I have for hydrogen. 6A
6A.
is equal to what?
2D.
2D. Now for oxygen, what? 2 times B.
2B.
2D. This is one of the procedures we define for balancing our equation. Alright? So just put your letters A, B, C, D as the coefficient. Then you start using it to compare. If carbon is what? 2A, and carbon is here, just 1C. That's what you're saying. Start comparing them. Carbon then you take to hydrogen. Hydrogen is what? 6A. That's 8 times 6A. Then hydrogen is what? 2D. That's what we do, alright? So the last one we are comparing now is oxygen. Oxygen is what? 2D. 2D is equal to what? 2C plus
2D.
no, not 2D. Plus D. I don't think.
I don't know 2D.
Alright, so what do you have now? You start with what? You're producing the number for A. You select A equal to what? 1. You know we applied 1 before. So 1 will not work. So let's go straight to the next number. Let A equal to 2. Let A equal to 2. Put 2 there. So C is now what?
C.
If A is equal to 2, put 2 there. C is now what?
2.
Alright. So now, if A is 2, what would C be? C would have what? No, C will not 4. C is equal to 4. Because if you put 2 there, C is not 4. Right? Good. Alright, the next one. Remember A is 2. If A is 2 here, C will be what? C will be what?
2 before.
3 times 2.
12.
12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. That's what? 6, right? I have put the next one here. So 2B will have the what? 2B will have the 2, 6 is what? 4, 4, that's 4 times 2.
8.
Plus 1B. Do we have B already?
No.
Yes, B is 6. So that's what? 2B is equal to what? 2 times 8. Plus what? What do you have? 14. 14 divided by 2. This is what? 7, I think?
Yes.
So, I just input all our values. So, A is what? A is 2. B is what?
C is
B is 7.
7. C is 4.
And C is what?
4.
4.
D is 6.
And D is what?
6.
D is what? 6. I see that. Alright, so I now clean this other one, right? And let's find the hole. I hope you can see them, right? Alright, so we have our balance equation. Alright? Now, let's do our molar ratio. So what's the ratio now? 2 ratio 7, right?
Ratio 4. Ratio 6.
4 ratio what?
6.
Are you clear now?
Yeah.
So we can now do our calculation now. Gay-Lussac tells us that what? It means that 2 volume of what? Methane will have 7 volume of what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. 2 mole of what?
Methane.
We have what? 2 mole of
Oxygen.
that's what Gay-Lussac is saying. And so on and so forth. So what is this for? It is now what they give us to now tell us what is happening. Why? Because it says it has a complete combustion and a complete what? Combustion. So if the thing that of methane has a complete combustion, it only means that there is enough oxygen. You know what? Enough oxygen to combustion, right? So the thing that so what are we looking for first? If all the gases are measured at estimate, what is the total volume of what? So let's talk about volume of what? Oxygen. So let's start the volume of oxygen. Remember, the thing that of what? Of what?
Methane.
Okay, nothing. According to what? According to Gay-Lussac,
Yes.
Gay-Lussac
No.
law, 2 volume of what?
Methane.
Of ethane Born
7 oxygen.
in what? 7 volume of what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Thus,
Gosh.
what was it? 18 centimeter of what? Of what? Of 18. Born in what? In what? And what? And what? Centimeter what?
Q.
Why? What was that? So 2 times S.
That is 2 centimeter. 2x
2S, right?
centimeter
Is equivalent to what? 15 times 7. So what we have? S is equal to
105.
105 over what? 2. What the answer? 15.
2.5.
52.5 centimeter
Q.
Are you seeing the volume now? Eh?
Yes, sir.
This year we got this from balancing the equation without got this, right? Good. So let's get the volume. What is the total volume of the product of the reactant? So when you put the total volume of the product, this one and this one. This is the first answer. So the next answer is what? The volume of this and what? This. So the same way, we are going to compare it the same way. So the volume of carbon 4 now, let's go.
2 centimeters.
Let's go. Remember, 7 gave what?
4.
Or let's see this one, let's see this one. 2 gave what? 4. So 2 volume equivalent to what? 2 volume equivalent to what? 4. 2 volume of, sorry, 2 volume of what?
18.
3 to 8 equivalent to what? 4 volume of carbon dioxide, right?
Yes.
So therefore 15 volume of what? Of 15 centimeter cube, sorry. 15 centimeter cube we give what? Of 3 to 8 is equivalent to S. But what do you have? 15 times 4, 2 times S, that's 2S. 15 times 4, that's what? 60. That's 50. So S is equal to what? 30. When you divide both sides by 2, S is equal to 30 centimeter
Q.
Are you okay? 31
CO2.
And the next one, the same thing. We're going to compare. And let's go. 2 volume of what?
C2H2.
3 to 8 2 volume of 3 to 8 what?
Equals to
Equivalent to what?
6 volume
3
of
volume
water.
of H2O. Now, 15 volume of what? Of 3 to 8 equivalent to what?
X.
X, right? I have not multiplied. 2x equal to what? That's like 90, I mean.
Yes.
90. So, if I go side like 2, what do you have? 45 centimeter cube. So, what's the total volume of the product? How many here? 30, how many here?
45. That is 35
So,
centimeter.
therefore, total volume of the product, volume of product, equal to what?
75 centimeter cube.
30 plus 45, that's 75 centimeter cube. I hope you understand this, right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
so, thank you. Please share the video to your colleagues so that you can help them to understand the user flow.